Oh, didn't get that glass of water.
Get funky. Perfect up?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
I think someone's a little.
Was that on camera?
Got it in a paper bag.
See them other dudes, hey. I got the last coffee cake.
Bring yummy cheese.
This kid sucks. Oh man, this kid sucks so bad. This is episode 2. We decided to do our intros at the end of filming, and I am a little drunk.
This is Mac and Cheese Wednesday.
Bum, 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 bum. Wednesday.
What do we have here? Oh man, James Gibbons mac and cheese. Shit, can't eat that till Wednesday.
Well, now it's Wednesday, and we're here for another mac and cheese.
Big shout out to everybody that's been giving us a lot of support. Mulatto, especially with that video. We've had a couple people sending pictures of them vandalizing Wednesday anywhere they see mac and cheese. Really, and that's awesome. We don't promote vandalizing things, but we definitely promote.
I totally promote vandalizing things.
I don't promote vandalizing things, but I promote promoting us. So I'm cool with that, I guess. On today's episode of Mac and Cheese Wednesday, we're gonna be making something a little bit different. We didn't want to just switch it up and go craft spirals, so we went
out there with it. We're trying Pirate's Booty. I don't know if you can get a Pirate's Booty, and it's made with organic pasta, no artificial colors or preservatives. Honestly, as a fat kid, I'm probably not gonna like it.
I used to eat a lot of organic food at a certain point in my life, and I'm telling you, mac and cheese is not a place where you want to cut corners.
We probably lost a lot of viewers just now.
Yeah.
Dago's got him.
Sorry, got him.
Kind of got a surprise sponsor this week. This is our sponsor this week is going to be Kent Lane Canines, right in Providence. It's run by our buddy Sean Meta P. A lot of people around here know him. A lot of our viewers know him. He's a miracle worker with all things, furry, fuzzy.
Mainly dogs, though.
Mainly dogs.
Mainly dogs.
He doesn't do anything with cats, but I'm pretty sure he hits the pussy.
He actually doesn't even know he's sponsoring this episode. This is kind of our way of knowing whether you watched or not, Meta. No, I'm just kidding, but seriously.
So Meta, if we get any more than, say, we got 1,500 before. If we get over 2,500, you owe us $150.
$150 at least.
You're going on vacation, and you need your dog to be watched. If you work during the day and you need someone to walk your dog, he needs exercise. If you're in the Providence area, he runs a great business, and I really suggest you go there.
Pop my collar.
Pop your collar.
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 Ever since I can remember, I've been popping my collar, popping my collar, popping my collar.
Let's get into one of the things that you wanted to talk about.
Yeah, let's get into one of these things that we were doing.
Let's get into one of the things I want to talk about.
Ben Bland son.
Okay, this says horribly awkward prom photos.
Yeah.
I thought it said horribly awkward porn photos.
We're gonna have to Google that after. For me, there's nothing awkward about that.
Yo, who invited Stacks? And this is a Martin. I know both the Martin boys, and this is a Martin. You get the cleavage out.
Well, this is prom. We shouldn't really. Yeah.
All right, next.
Oh my God. Another thing we can't be looking at. Maybe this isn't a good subject to be looking at.
I can't even legally talk about this photo.
I don't believe this is a prom. Unless that's the mom. There's no way she's going to prom. And if she is going to prom, no way she's going to prom. She's going to prom. I'm going to prom.
Next.
He's pulling her hair.
Yeah,
and she's loving it.
He's straddling her.
She was great in Hocus Pocus.
Oh my God, she was great in Hocus Pocus.
She was great in Hocus Pocus.
Same
Is that
people.
Sean got him? You're coming up a lot, buddy. Okay, so there's no way that's prom.
There's also no way that one's getting saved on my computer.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna screenshot that one. Right now, it's about to get a little bit warm in here, and it's not because I'm undoing one of these buttons. I turn this bitch on.
Yep.
Let's fire on.
Lock it in.
Lock it in. Let me get some music. 2 and 3. Ah.
Did we hear sound like that before?
No. Turn that off. Oh, no.
Oh.
Before you do that.
Oh, yeah, that was an accident. Try it again. Cool.
You almost just watched the last episode of Mac and Cheese Wednesday. The booze tube. 5 tampon flask test tubes with 5 wrappers. 1 ounce. So basically you buy these things and they look like tampons. And you fill them with booze or joints if you really want to.
Oh, imagine if you were sitting there and someone was drinking red wine out of that.
Red wine? Oh, red wine. Oh. I didn't even think about that for a second. That's terrible.
Nasty.
I would buy those for myself.
You would buy, well,
Okay. Who's gonna question me if I walk in with a couple tampons?
if you just walked into a club and you started drinking out of tampons, who's gonna question you?
I
think everybody in the club is gonna be like, what is that dude? He's the most suspicious looking dude here. That's not a way to get away with drinking.
Let me rephrase that. Like I would do it with the weed. I wouldn't do it with
Oh,
the
you would roll. You would put blunts in
I'd
there.
put blunts in
Oh,
there.
all right. Taking shots of Fireball out of that.
Is that guy drinking out of a tampon right now?
That's disgusting. Heavy flow days,
Hey,
so you get a double shot. What else we got? The wine rack.
Like, so he's not sucking on a titty.
Sucking on a titty.
Just like he starts sucking on a titty.
That gives sucking on her titty a whole new name.
That gives sucking on a titty a whole new game.
Maybe I could use the wine rack.
Just like walking in the park.
Fat guy walking around drinking booze out of his titties.
And you don't gotta put wine in it. You could put like grape juice, or you can put whatever you want in it. To be honest, you can put Arizona.
No,
in that.
because you don't really have to hide that you're drinking any other thing.
I think at that point it's just convenience.
That looked like convenience to you.
I'm ready to eat some booty, so we gotta add that Mac.
We're gonna need 8 minutes on a timer. 8 minutes on a timer.
All right, I don't need that. 50 words that sound rude, but actually aren't.
Ass art. All right, so obviously it's not ass art.
It's not ass art. It's not a booty pic, which is ass art. And if you agree, add us on Snapchat though.
All right, so ass art. I think it's assart.
What does assart mean? I've got an assortment of stuff for you, Simon.
It means a variety in Irish. I got an assortment for you.
Let's check it out.
An old medieval English legal icon for forested land that has been converted into arable land for growing. It's boring as shit.
Bastinado.
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 Bastinado. Bastinado. Bastinado. Bastinado.
Bastinado. Bastinado. Bastinados. Bastinado. 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 I don't like that one.
I don't like that one either. Boobiala. Boobiala. So, Boobiala, I know exactly what Boobiala is. Titties so nice that you would be willing to blow up a bus to see them.
Yeah, booby all of boobies you show all of your friends.
Girls, some of you girls do have boobialas.
You got some boobialas.
Even boobies you show all of your friends.
You should show all your friends. Now, I've been meaning to talk to you. We should be friends.
All right.
What does boobiala
What does
actually mean?
boobiala mean? So it's a bird.
It's a bird.
It's a bird. Bum fiddler. That's Subway's new sandwich.
That's
the bum fiddler.
The bum fiddler.
Going a little over the edge with the bum fiddler.
I can't believe they really named it that.
Bumalo?
I thought it was Bamalo.
Bamalo. It is Bamalo. That's actually the meat that's in the bum fiddler.
Oh, a clatter fart.
A clatter fart? That's a
When you're stroking from behind for a while, it builds up a couple clatter farts. I think it's important as men that you embrace the clatter fart. If a girl lets out a clatter fart and you acknowledge it, you can't even acknowledge it unless she acknowledges it. If she giggles, you giggle back.
I ain't giggling.
Clatter farts?
I might clatter fart back, actually. She's gonna go, hee, I'm gonna go.
I've had to hold in a couple farts sometimes, man. When you fucking do it, it's terrible. You're like,
She go for it.
yeah, as long as they first, then you can clatter fart everywhere.
Yep.
It's a gossip. Oh, she's being a clatter fart.
A kind of is a gossip. It's like, I'm fucked.
I'm getting
I'm fucked.
I'm getting fucked.
I'm getting fucked.
Being quiet, like there's somebody in the house that can't know you're fucking, and you're.
It's a clatter fart.
It's a clatter fart.
We got the shells?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't tell me that was shells. shells.
Oh, let me check this shit. Ooh-wee. Oh, it hurts so good. It hurts so good. It's definitely al dente.
Cockapert?
Cockapert.
Cockapert. This is gonna be a real guess. I'm guessing it's a bird.
Cockapert sounds like a bird, but you only think that because cockatoo.
Yep.
Maybe it's like where he hangs out with the cockapert. Me and all my cockatoos hang out with the cockapert.
Okay.
If you're trying to get some cocker, let me know. Oh, cockbell.
All right. Well, cockbell. I know exactly what that is. I've
Everybody
actually seen.
knows.
Yeah, everyone knows what cockbell is.
Everybody.
Cockbell is the place where little slutty white girls can go and get Mexican dick at 4 o'clock in the morning. Third dick. It's like third meal.
My buddy Roberto runs the place. It's actually a really good establishment. If you want good tacos and decent dick, talk to Roberto. A cockchafer. Let me tell you, a 9-hour shift. Now that's a cockchafer. Honestly, a cockchafer to me is a girl that does not know the anatomy of a penis and gives terrible hand jobs.
Yeah. I don't know if we want to go.
Well, I'm just saying, girls that don't know how to give hand jobs, you're a cockchafer.
You're a cockchafer.
Give Indian sunburns to my dick like you did something wrong to you. Dick.
A dick dick?
That's my homie. That's my homie Dick from Southside. Me and Dick go way back.
No, a dick dick is when they used to, in the old, like back in the 50s, throw rocks at the windows, and it'd be like, dick, dick, and then they pull, and his dick would be out. It was like that era's version of a dick dick. Dick. That's what that is.
Strain that shit.
Okay.
I think that shit's ready, Freddie. But I'm gonna back this up. We're gonna throw it right here.
You gotta be careful.
Let's be careful because we have very expensive equipment.
I don't feel comfortable.
You don't feel comfortable doing this? I'm down.
No.
You let it exfoliate yourself while it's straining.
You fucking ate out of it last time, and now you're fucking sweating over it.
Look at the flick of that wrist. You got some good flick. Nope, not doing it. Honestly, it sounds like you're getting some good pussy right now. Oh man. That stuff looks delicious. It looks hot but delicious. Honestly, this stuff looks pretty good.
It's a little,
It smells good.
it's watery.
A lot of people asked what our, yo, can I get a spoon?
Last time you ate out of the fucking pot.
A lot of people want to know what rating we gave mac and cheese last week. I give it like a solid 4 or 5. It wasn't the best, it wasn't the worst. This week, that shit's fucking fire.
It's pretty good.
We should have got 2 boxes, goddamn.
I don't know. 3.5 out of 5?
3.5 out of 5. All right, we're going out of 5. If we're going out of 5, then last week's was like a 2. This week, this is like a 3.5.
3.5 out of 5, I think, is pretty consensus.
This is some solid mac. But it's right there.
I eat it, but I don't know if I trust it.
Honestly, it's like 90% of the girls I've slept with. I'd eat it, but I don't trust it.
So what do we got going?
We got mac and cheese going, motherfucker. You better relax. So, we ain't got a little drunk. We had a couple of scorpion balls.
But it has to do with our next bit. This is the same restaurant we just went
We
to.
just came from this restaurant. I'm gonna move this mac and cheese bowl.
It went from Mac and Cheese Bowl Wednesday to Scorpion Bowl Wednesday
Scorpion
real
Bowl
quick.
Wednesday. So this lady, she's looking at it. She's looking through, trying to find the right one. Goes to give it to her man. Hey, babe, I got you Coca-Cola Blueberry.
Coca-Cola Blueberry.
I know Coca-Cola Blueberry is your favorite.
Coca-Cola Blueberry.
But look at him. He's not even looking at her. He's like, bitch.
You know how deep she had to dig into that to get Coca-Cola Blueberry?
She took literally all the way to China. Grabs the whole thing. She doesn't even question it. Do you see this woman? She does not question it.
Nope.
Not even for a second. You think they got another bowl? From what I heard, that bowl was the original from the place opened like 30 years ago.
Okay. And now it's gone. And now it's gone. And now it's gone. Of course they replace the bowl. If they don't replace the bowl, then the fucking terrorists win. We don't negotiate with terrorists.
Do the Chinese negotiate with terrorists?
I'm sure. So why don't we go to YouTube and just like be like funky ass shit? Let's just be like funky ass shit.
Go restart both the cameras.
Why are you on Yahoo? Oh, didn't get that glass of water.
Let's get funky. You fucked up?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
I think someone's a little fucked up.
Was that on camera? Fuck you.
You are now tuned in to Mac and Cheese Silky Smooth Wednesdays.
On a place called Facebook, I was born and raised. On my news feed is where I spend most of my days. Chilling out, relaxing, acting all cool. When some kids I went to high school with were acting rude.
I drive a Hyundai from Monday to Sunday.
Ooh.
I drive a Hyundai from Monday to Sunday.
Ooh.
I drive a Hyundai from Monday to Sunday.
Ooh.
This is fairy style.
No, oh, we're gonna do that? Okay, yeah, that's right.
No, you can stay down like that.
No. Fairy style. Fairy style. Fairy style.
This is fairy style. Fairy style.
Fairy.
Okay. Once upon a time, not long ago,
Yo.
a boy named Murph had a long dong a hoe.
Oh shit, you rapping? I'm a rub on a lamp like I was Aladdin. I fell apart like I was Tower 7
It's a story.
about 9/11.
In a land far, far away.
In a time long, long ago from today.
In a land far, far away.
In a time long ago from today.
Where a man was a man. Doesn't matter what he say.
Unless you say I want to suck on that dick today.
That's a little gay. That's neither here nor there.
So back to the story at hand. Heard there was a princess who wished she was a man. It was the exact opposite of Jenner.
So that's Mac and Cheese Wednesday.
No.
Episode 2.
No, we can't end it that way. Listen, if you like the video, then like the video. So we know that you like the video, and we can keep making videos that you like.
It's as simple as that.
Bum, 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 bum. Wednesday. Fuck.
It's a clap.
It's a clap.
I might want to actually bleep out the word queef.